Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fry, isang visual artist from Manila. And today, we are going to unbox and review and customize the Marvel, the Infinity Saga, ZD Toys 1/10 Scale Iron Man Collections, Iron Man Mark 33 from the Iron Man 3 movie. Ayan, maraming salamat, Sir Eril Justin Baste of Laruanan. Kung gusto niyo umorder nito, ang price nito ay 1,200 only. Okay, so yun, let's start with the box. Upper left, Marvel logo. Tapos meron ka Marvel Studios, The Infinity Saga, ZD Toys logo. Ang ibig sabihin ng ZD Toys ay Zongdong Toys, 1/10 scale Iron Man collections. And then you have the shot of Silver Centurion. And then you have the Marvel Studios Iron Man 3 logo na medyo naka-emboss yung text na Iron Man 3. And also yung Marvel Studios na logo. Tapos meron kang seal ng Disney. Ibig sabihin ang ZD Toys ay original, authentic. Hindi siya fake, hindi bootleg, hindi KO. Then you have the Roman numeral XXXIII or 33. Tapos you have the Chinese text and copyright of Marvel. Sa side naman, you have the repulsor blast pose of a Silver Centurion, barcode ng Zongdong Toys. Sa likod, you have the front and rear shot, Infinite Action X. Tapos you have the flight pose, repulsor pose, tapos lahat ng accessories nandito. Chinese text, barcode, QR code. Sa gilid naman, you have the Marvel Studios Iron Man 3. Tapos ang maganda dito sa packaging nila, super protected yung figure, magnetic yung sides. Tapos you have the first clamshell, nandito yung figure. Tapos sa second clamshell naman, dito yung mga accessories. Sa accessories, meron kang 4 na blasters and blast effects. Tapos meron kang included na rin dito yung pole na merong spring-loaded yung clip para mas mahawakan na maigi yung action figure for the flight poses. Alright, ito na yung Silver Centurion out of the box. And man, grabe ZD Toys. Sobrang ganda na naman ang gawa nyo dito. Kung sino man yung sino man yung in charge sa research and development and yung factory na gumagawa nito, please give them a raise. Super ganda ng value na pinoprovide sa atin ni ZD Toys. Grabe. For 1,200 only, you will get these kinds of armor finish na super ganda. You have the glossy crimson red paint, the silver details here in the chest. Tapos dito sa bicep, you have the silver na plate, armor plate. Tapos meron ka pang panel lining. And then the head sculpt or the head armor is very nice too, very well sculpted, very sharp, very clean, very sleek. Zoom in natin para mas makita nyo. Ayan, the arc reactor detailing, grabe dito sa chest. Sobrang angas, very well sculpted. You have the layers of plastic na parang magkaka-overlap to create this kind of triangular na shape na arc reactor. Super cool. And dito naman sa chest or sa stomach na armor, meron kang maliliit na silver details dito. You have the mechanical details here sa chest, and also dito sa kanyang shoulder or armpit area. Very nice. Ganda ng sculpt talaga. And gustong gusto ko rin na nag-add sila ng accessory na hidden blade. Ito, ang ganda nito. Ganda. Medyo ingat lang kayo kasi hazard siya sa children. Ayan, dahil medyo matalas siya. Okay, ingat lang. Sa ibang accessories, napapalitan din pala to. Pwede maging normal na fist. Ayan, meron kang arm or hand guard or hand protector guards, fist na protector, ganun. Tapos meron kang repulsor blast na hands, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 na repulsor blast na hands. Tapos meron ka ding yun nga, dalawang arm guards or hand guards. Tapos dito naman you have the hexagonal na base. Buti nga na to. Dati kasi ganito lang siya yung translucent lang na ginagamit nila. Teka, zoom out ko Yan, dati translucent lang, tapos meron lang Iron Man Mark Mark III. Ganyan yung old na style ng bases nila. Pero ngayon, sa mga newer models, ganito na. Translucent, opaque na siya na black na plastic. Tapos merong print dito sa taas na mga tech na lines. You have the medyo blurred lang yung pagkaka-print. Marvel Studios Iron Man 3 1/10 scale Iron Man collections. Alright, babasahin ko lang yung description na nilagay sa ironmanfandom.com. The armor design of the Mark 33 suit is primarily deep crimson red in color with golden and silver highlights. Asan yung gold dito? Parang wala naman natang gold dito. And features a triangular-shaped unibeam. Yan, triangular-shaped unibeam together with its chest piece, which follows the shape of the unibeam. It was designed for energy amplification and redirection, and thus has a distinctive body shape being angular and polygonal. Yun, ganun nga yung design dito sa, ganun yung overall design dito sa armor. You have the triangular na mga shape ng mga armor panels. Pati dito, very angular, very polygonal, very straight na lines, very sleek, very sharp. Kaya yun nga, since sharp siya in terms of, yun nga, yung mga design, yung mga lines, ingat din talaga kasi tulad nito, minsan ito, yung mga corners, very sharp, baka pag-articulate nyo matusok kayo, lalong-lalo na dito sa mga hidden blades, be very careful, okay? Its armor plating are not boxy and square like its predecessor, but more sleek and triangular, giving it a sharp, crisp look. Yun, galing ito sa Iron Man fandom. Ito kasi yung Mark 7, mas siya, boxy. Yan, mas mako-compare natin siya. Yan. Pero ito talaga yung favorite suit ko, yan. Ito si Mark 7. Tapos grabe yung gawa talaga ni ZD Toys. Sobrang na-impress ako sa paint job nila. Kasi hindi ito colored plastic. Talagang painted siya. Yung colored plastic, makikita niyo yun, nagkakaroon siya ng mga marbling effect. Ito kasi painted on talaga yung red. So ang galing ng factory na gumagawa nito. Kaya nga kung ano pangalan ng factory, please give them a raise. Grabe, sobrang ganda nung production line. And super linis, super cool. Nowadays, yung mga gantong klaseng mga parang mini hot toys na yung dating, sobrang laki ng value na binibigay sa atin talaga. Just, it's very affordable for 1,200 only, diba? Ayan, continue ko lang yung mga armor capabilities based dito sa ironmanfandom.com. Enhanced energy output, armor features na, yun nga, hidden blade, you have the thrusters, downing system, weaponry naman, we have the repulsors, unibeam, tapos vibranium blade pala to. Grabe, vibranium blade pala to. And flares. This armor contain numerous infrared flares. Another feature common with some of the predecessors. Ito, alam ko dito nagagaling din yung flares sa kanyang hips. Pero grabe, ang ganda ng ganda ng gawa rito. Yan, dito naman tayo sa likod. Wala siyang back flaps, pero look at the details dito sa back. You have the silver plates, you have the lines here, parang very sharp, crisp lines, panel lining, armor plates. Grabe, ang ganda ng color combination. Para talaga siyang yun nga, pinalit na hot toys. Dito lang medyo weird lang tong gap na to. Ayan dito. Yan, yung gap na yan. Hindi ko nga sure kung dapat bang nandyan yan Hindi ko sure. Teka, titingnan ko muna. Ayun, based dun sa mga nakitang images, dapat meron siyang dito. Parang silver na plate. May silver pang part dyan. Pero, sobrang na lang din yan. Minimal. Kasi, napakaganda naman din nung figure to begin with. Grabe. Sobrang angas na nito. Meron pang accessory na hidden blade. Parang yung sa Assassin's Creed, meron siyang hidden blade. Yan. Ang height nga pala nito ng mga ZD Toys ay 1/10 scale or 7 inches tall. Yan. Ito na yung Mark 7. Teka, zoom out ko lang para makita nyo yung size comparison. Yan. Mark 7. Tapos Mark 3. Yan, Mark 3. Pagtabi lang natin. Mark 3. Tapos Mark 4. Mark 4. Magkakapantay lang to. And Mark 45. I think this is 45. Yan. Okay. Mark 45. Okay, proceed tayo dito sa hips or sa legs. Grabe, very sleek yung design. Tapos meron ka pang mech detail dito sa may part niya ng hip pa rin. Sa may knee. Same. Very clean. Walang amount of weathering. Wala. Zero. Very clean. Parang bagong-bagong ano talaga. Bagong-bagong gawa talaga ni Tony Stark galing sa Hall of Armor. Naka-showcase. Parang pang-showcase talaga to eh. Pero syempre pag yung costume natin, gusto ko magkaroon siya na level of weathering. Okay, proceed tayo sa articulation sa head, up. Uy, nice. Up, down, tilt. Pwede. Tapos ikot 360. Pwede. Arm, pull out for butterfly joints. Pwede ring i-pull out yung shoulders for better articulation. Ikot. Okay, pwede. Bicep swivel, bicep rotation. 90 elbow, double jointed ba? 1 2. Double jointed pero 90 degrees. 90 degrees lang. Ball jointed yung kamay. Tapos dito sa torso na extend, yun nga lang medyo malaki yung gap dito. Ayan. Sa susunod sana pag nag-release sila ng LED version, sana i-extend pa nila tong stomach na part para pag in-extend ito, wala masyadong gap. Okay? Yeah, movement 360. Ay hindi, left and right rotation, tilt. Tapos wala nang cut dito. Pull down yung legs. And hip hip rotation, hip rotation. Tapos kick. And pwedeng kick. And then you have the knee articulation, knee bend, double jointed din. Baba, tapos ball joint itong paa. Alright, overall, this is a very, very nice addition to your Iron Man collection. Sobrang sleek, super sharp, very nice armor design. Napaka ganda ng Silver Centurion, great color, crimson red. I think yung red na ginamit nila dito, halos same lang. Pero I think it's a bit darker. Yan, parang mas darker siya compared dito sa other armors na ginamit. Yan. Ganda rin ang weapon. Maganda talaga yung weapon niya rito, yung parang yun nga yung hidden blade niya, yun talaga yung pinakagusto kong accessory. And very nice na variation kung itatabi mo siya with the other armors. Yan, di ba? Angas niya tingnan. Ayan na. Teka, tatayo ko muna tapos papakita ko sa inyo. Alright, ito na yung showcase natin na Mark 7, Mark 33, Mark 3, Mark 4, Mark 45. And yun nga, ito yung ating main armor for the night. Silver Centurion. Very, very nice action figure. Very, very cool. Very sleek, very sharp. Silver and red color combination. The design is very good. The sculpt's very sharp. Accessories, panalo din. Texture, very glossy. Very smooth. Tapos yung paint finish is very glossy. Proportion, 7 inches din. Katulad ng mga iba't ibang ZD Toys armor. Yan. Please order kung gusto nyo ng Silver Centurion, 1,200 only sa laruanan. So yun. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!